All right, fellow developers, do you ever get a call from a client or your boss while you're out and you think, I could fix that in 2 minutes if I was at my machine? Your entire engineering capability is locked to your development machine. And once you step away, you're just a person with opinions and a phone full of apps that can't do what you actually need. I was buying a car a week before last, and I came back from the test drive and I got a call from a client who was having issues with their system. I told him I looked at the issue when I was back in the office. And I went back into the dealership after the test drive. And while the salesperson was in the back, working to get a better rate, I opened up a browser on my phone and I had DevNitro's listener running on my desktop at home. So I connected and I had to write a real quick Python script to calculate loan payments at different rates. And a few seconds later, I got real numbers. So I didn't use a Google calculator or anything like that. Just a script that I could easily run. So I went ahead while I was waiting and solved the client's problem as well. And I was even able to deploy the change to the client's Blazor app while I sat there. But I showed my wife the numbers that came back earlier from that small Python script. And the sales guy came back and we agreed to the sales price. And then they worked on the rate. And after confirming, I went back with the loan officer while the salesman showed my wife some of the technology in the car. Now, in the back with the loan officer, I noticed a discrepancy that I would have missed if I hadn't ran the new numbers. So that script called a $720 ceramic coating add-on that I never agreed to. So we got it sorted out and I got a good rate with no bloated charge to pad up the monthly rate that they knew I was willing to pay. So that, plus being able to deploy the change I needed for my client from the dealership while buying a car, made my day better. So here's you already know this reminder for senior .NET developers. Your platform should go where your brain goes. If you can think about a problem, you should be able to solve it. And a listener on your machine, a browser on your phone, and that's all you need. So stop being tethered to a desk. Now, the best engineering moments don't wait for you to sit down at your desk. And DevNitro enabled this for me, and it could enable it for you too. You can jump on the wait list over at devnitro.com. I'm Chad Carter, helping developers ship production ready software faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a developer that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.